Today, we'll learn how to make the chick and dinus, or egg bags. Wrap the yarn. Then form a loop. Pinch this spot tightly. Insert the hook through the loop. Then pull the yarn through. Don't let it loosen here. Then continue by chaining to CH2. Yarn over. Still insert the hook into the same space as before. Then pull the yarn through. When pulling the yarn through, we have 3 loops on the hook. Pull through the first 2 loops together. 2 loops remained, then pull through both at once. This is 1 double crochet DC. We'll mark the first stitch. For the first stitch, the 2 strands forming a shape are the stitches of the first double crochet. Place a marker on it. Then continue crocheting double crochets. We need to work a total of 12 double crochets into this ring. You can count as you crochet. After finishing, you can look at the side here. The stitches on top should total 12. The one with the marker is the first. First, second, third, fourth, fifth count a total of 12. The loop on the hook doesn't count, and this is the 12th one. After finishing 12, tighten this loop. Then slip stitches to the first stitch. That's the position of the marker. Okay. Pull the yarn through. Then pull the first strand through the second strand. After pulling through, a stitch like this is formed here. We pull this stitch tight with force. It will become very small. Otherwise, if it's very large later, we might mistake it for a stitch. Then chain 2 again. Yarn over into the marked stitches from before, which is the first stitch. Insert the hook. You can remove the marker first. Place this yarn tail over the hook and hold it down. When crocheting, don't pull it all the way through. This way, we can weave in the tail. Then pull the yarn through. Lengthen the loop a bit. Pulling through the first 2 loops, then pull through the remaining 2 loops. 1 double crochet. Place a marker on the first double crochet. Yarn over. Work another double crochet into the first stitch. 2 double crochets into this stitch. This is a double crochet increase to DC and same STD. We need to repeat this 12 times in total. This is the first set. This is the second set. For the inner yarn tails, tighten the center. After tightening, weave it in a few stitches, then cut it. After finishing the 12 sets, you can count. There should be 24 stitches in total. Then slip stitches to the first stitch. Pull through, then pull through again and tighten. Make it smaller. Chain 2. We'll continue with round 3. Round 3. First work 1 double crochet. In the first stitch, work 1 double crochet. Place a marker. Then, in the next stitch, work a double crochet increase. This is the first set. 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet increased. Also repeat this 12 times in total. This is the second set. Third set. After 12 sets, slip stitches to the first stitch. Remember to count yourself. This round should have 36 stitches. After the slip stitch, chain 2. Yarn over. In the first stitch, work a double crochet. Place a marker. Then work for more double crochets. For double crochets plus the first one, makes a total of 5 double crochets. After 5 double crochets, works a double crochet increase. This is the first set. Repeat 6 times in total. Five double crochets, 1 double crochet increased. This is the second set. This is the third set. This is the fourth set. We continue until the end. After reaching the end, slip stitch to the first stitch. Chain 2. For rounds 5 and 6, we simply work 42 double crochets. That means working 1 double crochet into every stitch. Continue until the end. Here, I have already completed 10 rows or rounds. Let's see how to count the rows. This center circle is row 1. This is row 2. This is row 3. There's a dividing line like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After 10 rows, let's check first. See if, after putting the egg inside, if this height is enough, leaving just a little space like this, then we can work the final round, which is the drawstring opening. If there's still a lot of space left, add 1 to 2 more rows of double crochet. Okay, so here we'll work directly. Chain 2. Then, in the first stitch, work 1 double crochet. After the double crochet, chain 1. Yarn over. Skip the second stitch. Leave 1 stitch empty. Then, in the third stitch, work 1 double crochet. Then chain 1 again. Continue this pattern. Skip 1 stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 chain. This forms small holes like this. When you reach the end, there should be 1 stitch left. Simply skip it. Don't work into it. Slip stitches into the top chain of the first double crochet. Then chain 1 and fasten off. After pulling tight, use a needle to weave in this yarn tail. First, go from the center to the bottom. After reaching the bottom, continue. Then, pick up the stitches of a double crochet. Go onto the double crochets. Vertical post. After pulling through, do the same. Apply a little glue at the base. This main body is complete. The dinosaur main body is exactly the same as this one. So when crocheting it, we'll just use yellow yarn for demonstration. For the dinosaurs, simply use green yarn. To crochet the main body, now let's crochet the thin strap. Take out the yellow yarn and make a slip knot. Insert the hook through the knot, then chain continuously. You can adjust the length yourself. Here, just keep repeating chain stitches.